Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your VIVO TWS 3E are charging? So, if you want to know it for the charging case, you need to connect charging case to the power. And if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds, that your charging case charging. Now, if you want to check it for the earbuds, we have no LED light for them, but we can open VIVO earphones application, check battery level right here, then put the earbuds through the charging case and close the case, or maybe even connect charging case to the power, and then return to the application after some time and check it is the battery percentages changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.